get back onto the Rift for game 1 of the group stages in Le Dark Pullman. They turn their focus to Cacao. There's the team fight. Onslaught of Shadows throws IG's backline. Zetai's forced to retreat. That's a defensive flash. Emperor's Divide will not pin Cacao to the wall. It's a battle on 3 fronts, and it's a battle that Fnatic is winning. And the hometown heroes strike first blood.
Where's our fist? Fast in. Nice. Come back.
This guy? He's done?
Yeah,
I'm here.
F, 14, 13.
Pretty low.
Come back.
Super low.
I can TP in.
Mountains jumped in, but he's down. It's Balls that takes him out. Ziv got stunned by the Eventhorizing, and he's forced to flash away.
What an upset in this group stage.
Goes out, locked it up by a slow. Wow, more just eviscerated.
Beautiful play.
Double. Yeah, what an outplay. SKT are on the board, 1-0 in the group stages.
Not allowed to give up. You cannot say, I hate this game if the game is 1-5. No tilting allowed.
Here comes the dive play, back there, Warlock getting low, Mako, he's in trouble, he flashes out, but Death, he's getting a first blood, that's a double kill! EDG in style, take their first game here in Paris. Oh, good play there, gets the combo, but Mako dumped his way back in, he wants double, he pops his onions, has to run out, he's so tanky with the helmet, Kramer gets Cocoon, he'll get shut down, but Blaze has gone down. What a comeback right there. Mill! Nice! Pops over to the cross, he's looking for the wraparound. Business as usual as they play their first game here in Paris.